Doug, what do we need to do with that piece of wood?
We need to cut it.
What's up? Welcome to Jinked Inked. I'm Courtney, and in today's video, we're gonna be making a turntable or Lazy Susan, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna need wood, 2 pieces, one for your top, one for your base. You're gonna need one of these things. They're called, I guess they're called like a ball bearing. If you look it up, it's for Lazy Susan builds. If you type in how to build a Lazy Susan, this will pop up. You can get this at Home Depot. They're very inexpensive. And then a little added thing that I'm making is I have this little kitchen cutting board that's made out of glass because I'm gonna be using this for product display and for sculpting, so the glass is for the sculpting. But yeah, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna build the base. Let's go. We got too excited and we did this step too soon. So now we're fixing it. We lined up the holes. We tapped nails in to mark where these little screws are going. Now he's gonna use this drill bit thingy to make holes. So let's do that. You don't want to see any holes on the top. You want a nice smooth surface, and that's why you want to pre-drill the holes through the base so that you can screw in the bottom to the top from below. And hopefully that makes sense.
So theoretically, now that these are in and we have these holes pre-drilled, they'll line up with this. And we already have it pre-marked on here where it's supposed to go. When you turn this around and you drill through these pre-made holes, it'll connect into them this side. Hi, it's me from the future. Just wanted to let you know I'm gonna throw in a little bonus footage. I originally was gonna make a separate video for how to make a desk easel, but I ended up going with an option that would save me more space. I already had this laptop stand thing that attached to the desk for my drawing tablet. And so I decided to change that into an easel. Let's look at the footage that I had created for that. Cut the board to the size we wanted, then we cut the little front lip, glued it on, and then we added some screws from the back for extra security. So today is stain and paint day. All my little projects that I'm working on right now, this little storage thing, Lazy Susan, this is gonna replace like this thing on my desk for like an easel. You can leave the Lazy Susan without the base, but for product display and sculpting, I needed a little bit of height. Just thought I'd get all the little stains out of the way today.
Let's match your little desk.
Yeah, I thought that would be cool, and then it's not, I was contemplating whether or not to stain it that dark color since the thing on my desk, the overhead rig is that color.
This is the brand that we went with. Classic gray Varathane.
It's the stain I always use.
Yeah. We use this for the
Kids table.
kids table.
Alright, so now we're just gonna apply this with wood glue because it's gonna be kind of hard to get any nails or screws in this thing at this point. I went ahead and marked the middle parts, and I'm just gonna put glue here, glue it together, voila! So here is the easel all finished on my desk. I love it. It's super functional. I can move it out of my way when I'm not using it. It turns, you can push it all the way back. It has an adjustable thing at the back to where I can lower it and raise
raise it. It moves to almost lay flat. It's perfect. And then this was the little desk storage thing I had. It's usually for your lap, but I'm gonna use it to get a little height on things if I wanna stand up, and then also for some extra storage. When I'm finished, it goes right under my desk out of the way. I know Lazy Susans are normally circular, but I wanted mine to be square. That's it for me today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this or some other crazy creative things we like to get interesting on this channel. And until next time, be kind, stay positive, and keep creating.